If you've been waking up feeling just as tired as when you went to bed, noticing your erections aren't as strong as they once were, and feeling your energy slowly fade with each passing day, I want you to stay with me for a few minutes. What I'm about to share may completely change the way you think about your body and about aging itself. Because here's the truth. What you're experiencing is not just a normal part of getting older. It's a clear sign that your body is missing something vital. Something it depends on every single night to repair, restore, and recharge. And when that missing link disappears, the very foundation of your recovery starts to crumble. I'm Dr. Olivia Hayes, and over the years I've spoken with hundreds of men who tell me almost the same story. They say, "Dr. Hayes, I go to bed, but I wake up exhausted. My desire is fading. My erections are weaker. My mind feels foggy, and I can't seem to get back to the energy I used to have." When I look deeper, the pattern is always the same. Their bodies have stopped fully recovering during the night. That breakdown in nighttime recovery is one of the biggest reasons a man can feel decades older than he actually is. See, nighttime isn't just for rest. It's when your body performs its most important maintenance work. While you sleep, your system produces the majority of its natural testosterone. Blood vessels in the penis expand and repair themselves. The prostate calms inflammation. And deep inside every cell, tiny energy factories called mitochondria recharge, preparing your body for the next day. But when your sleep becomes shallow or disrupted, those systems begin to fail. And the first signs of that failure show up exactly where most men notice it, in their virility, sexual strength, and overall vitality. So why does this happen so often after 50 or 60? The answer is surprisingly simple. As men age, their bodies gradually lose essential minerals that used to be plentiful in youth. And one mineral in particular, magnesium, plays a far greater role in male health than most people realize. Magnesium is the cornerstone of deep sleep, firm nighttime erections, and natural testosterone production. Without enough of it, your body never truly relaxes. You might fall asleep, but you won't reach the deep, restorative stages your system needs to rebuild itself. And when that happens night after night, recovery slows, fatigue builds, and sexual function quietly declines. Now, I want you to think carefully about whether these signs sound familiar. Do you wake up several times a night to urinate? Experience restless or shallow sleep with odd dreams or sudden awakenings? Feel cramps or tingling in your legs? Or maybe you wake up tired, even after a full night in bed, irritated, anxious, and less interested in intimacy. If two or more of these sound like you, your body could be signaling a nighttime magnesium deficiency. The problem is, this deficiency isn't always your fault. Modern foods, even the so-called healthy ones, contain far less magnesium than they used to. The soil they're grown in is depleted. And even when you eat all the right foods, your body absorbs much less magnesium as you age. That means that despite your best efforts, your system quietly runs low, and the symptoms slowly build until you start feeling the effects. That's when men begin to notice fading energy, poor sleep, irritability, and weaker erections. But the good news is, this isn't permanent. Once you restore the right level of magnesium, especially before bed, you can reignite the body's natural repair process and start feeling that lost strength and vitality again. Now, not all magnesium is created equal, and this is where many men go wrong. Some forms don't absorb well and pass right through your system, offering little benefit. But the right forms, the ones your body can actually use directly, calm your nervous system, help you slip into deeper stages of sleep, relax blood vessels, and encourage stronger nocturnal erections. When you give your body this support at night, everything starts to change. Most men who make this adjustment notice something remarkable within the first few days. They fall asleep faster, their bodies feel lighter, and their minds finally quiet down. After a week, they wake up with more energy, fewer bathroom trips during the night, and even spontaneous morning erections they haven't experienced in years. And after 2 consistent weeks, many describe a complete transformation, full nights of uninterrupted sleep, calmer moods, sharper focus, and a renewed sense of desire. It's amazing how something so simple can create such profound change. But there's one key: consistency. Magnesium works cumulatively, meaning your body needs it regularly to build up and restore what's been lost. Skipping nights or forgetting doses can slow your progress. Steady use for at least 2 weeks is what unlocks that true transformation. And while we're talking about timing, it's important to remember that magnesium should be taken at night, not in the morning. Because its main effect is calming, taking it early in the day can make you feel sluggish. But at night, it helps your body naturally unwind, setting the stage for recovery and renewal while you sleep. Now, many men also ask me, "Dr. Hayes, can I take magnesium if I'm on medication?" And generally the answer is yes. Magnesium is a natural mineral, not a synthetic drug. For most men, it's safe to use alongside common prescriptions. But if you take blood thinners or have more complex health conditions, it's always best to confirm with your physician before making changes. Let me give you one more insight I've noticed after years of working with men's health and vitality. When sleep improves, everything else follows. Confidence comes back, desire returns, relationships feel closer, and that deep sense of masculinity, the energy that drives motivation, strength, and passion, begins to awaken again. Poor sleep, fading erections, and low energy are not the signs of a man getting old. They are the signs of a man whose body is missing what it needs to rebuild itself. Your body hasn't forgotten how to feel young, strong, and driven. It simply needs the right support to do so. So tonight, make a small but powerful decision. Give your body the chance to repair itself the way it's meant to. Dim the lights. Step away from the screens. Take that moment for yourself. Because when you restore your nights, you restore your life. I've seen countless men come back from exhaustion, irritability, and low desire simply by rebalancing what their body needs after dark. And when they do, something remarkable happens. They don't just sleep better, they live better. Remember, recovery starts while you sleep. Your energy, your vitality, your manhood, they all depend on that quiet, powerful process your body performs every single night. So give it what it needs and let nature do the rest. I'm Dr. Olivia Hayes. Take care of yourself tonight and every night, because that's when your best days begin.